The LinkThai PTZ camera is the ultimate home surveillance solution, which you can effortlessly control from your phone, ensuring every corner of your home is covered. Equipped with advanced night vision, the LinkThai PTZ camera provides crystal clear footage, even in complete darkness. Keep an eye on your loved ones, whether it's your kids or pets, from anywhere at any time. Hello everyone, it's Mom and Pretty Missy here again, and in today's video we are going to take a look at LinkThai PTZ camera. It's a very affordable 2K indoor camera, great for monitoring your home while you are away. It could even be used as a baby monitor with high quality image and a two-way voice communication. It's a great option for any indoor home security. So in this video I will show you how to get it all set up. Let's get started. First, let's see what is inside the box. You'll find the PTZ camera itself, a user manual, a power cord, wall mounting accessories, and a slot for an SD card for local storage. Setting up the LinkThai PTZ camera is very simple. Start by scanning the QR code to download the app. Download the app, sign in with your preferred email, set a password, and follow all the prompts that come thereafter. And congratulations, you have successfully registered. Next is to allow the app to connect to the device. LinkThai has different devices, but the one we are using in this video is the plug-in device. Go ahead and connect it to the plug-in device. Once you hit that, it's going to search for the device and choose the device. And here you're going to need a Wi-Fi to get it connected. I used my home router, so configure it to your Wi-Fi network, and here you have it. Your PTZ camera is all set up and ready to be used. You can place the camera in any location of your choice: the front door, living room, or even your child's room. As you can see, this has PTZ capability, so you're going to be able to get 360-degree coverage with this camera. And the most incredible part of this camera is its price point. For $26.99, you'll be able to purchase this camera that is fully able to monitor the entirety of the inside of your home. And it was incredibly easy to set up the application, and I also walked you through the process, which took less than 5 minutes to get it connected to the internet and ready for live viewing. This is a PTZ camera, and there is a controller build-up application, so you can easily access the camera and move it around. This gives virtually 360-degree worth of coverage that is motion detected and can be motion activated. And as someone moves in the frame, you will get a notification notifying you that someone has been spotted. The PTZ camera can automatically follow the subject. Once again, I am shocked that the motion detection and motion tracking is on the same camera that is currently under $30. This camera features built-in night visions to see what is going on. Whether it is daytime or nighttime, there is an automatic mode that can switch in between. So as soon as light goes out, or if it doesn't have enough light to capture the individual automatic vision. A big shout out to LinkThai store on Amazon for sponsoring this video, and they're so pleased to offer complimentary gift following the purchase of their product. All you just have to do is follow the link on the description of this video, place your order, and you can get this item 100% free at no cost. Also know that there are only 20 items to be claimed. Go ahead and place your order to get this product 100% free. And that's it about today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time. Bye.